Nature, in all its grandeur, is a tapestry woven with awe-inspiring wonders and enigmatic mysteries that beckon exploration. The Grand Canyon, an immense chasm formed by the relentless carving of the Colorado River, unveils layers of history layered within its ancient rocks. This colossal geological wonder captivates eyes with its vibrant hues and intricate patterns, leaving visitors in complete admiration of nature's artistry. Similarly, the Great Barrier Reef stands as the largest coral reef system on the planet. Underneath the azure waves, an extraordinary marine ecosystem flourishes. However, this breathtaking underwater paradise battles the onslaught of climate change and pollution, prompting contemplation about its fragile future. The vibrant palette of corals dances with life, yet the shadows of uncertainty loom large. Mount Everest, a formidable titan reaching skywards, symbolizes the indomitable spirit of human ambition. Adventurers flock to its frosted slopes, driven by dreams of conquest. Amidst its towering presence lie mysteries about its formation, revealing clues about tectonic movements and the planet's age. Moreover, the impact of climbers leaves an environmental footprint, leading to questions about the delicate balance of this majestic yet fragile ecosystem. Venturing into the arid landscapes of Arizona, the wave intrigues with its undulating patterns and surreal formations. This natural sculpture exhibits the delicate balance of wind and water erosion, inviting photographers and explorers alike to bask in its majestic beauty. Nearby, Antelope Canyon dazzles with its play of light filtering through swirling sandstone walls. On the Caribbean side, stunning visuals that reflect the power of water's slow, artistic depths beneath the sea. Its circular embrace embodies nature's secrets, making divers ponder the origins of such colossal underground formations. Similarly, the Eye of the Sahara captures imaginations in Mauritania, tempting geologists and adventurers to unravel its geological enigma. The Chocolate Hills in the Philippines rise like green giants, a testament to nature's geological forces that create beauty and intrigue. Among these wonders exist elusive phenomena that spark Norwegian skies, leaving onlookers entranced, while the phenomena of star jelly and the wow signal fuel scientific debates about their origins. Lastly, the inexplicable Devil's Kettle Falls in Oregon continues to baffle our understanding of nature's mysteries. In every exploration, we encounter nature's timeless dance of wonder and mystery.